Welcome to Future Wheels, or maybe today, Future Homes. Figure AI has just revealed another major leap for humanoid robots with its latest Helix 02 demonstration. And this time, the robot is cleaning and organizing an entire bedroom completely on its own. According to Figure, the robot can now walk through a messy room, pick up scattered items, organize objects, handle soft materials like blankets and towels, and even navigate tight spaces while continuing tasks in real time.
What makes this impressive is that Helix 02 isn't using separate systems for walking, grabbing, balancing, and decision-making. Instead, Figure says one unified AI system controls the robot's full body directly from camera input and sensors. That means the robot can adapt naturally while moving around the room, just like a human would. In previous demos, Helix 02 already showed it could clean kitchens, load dishwashers, wipe surfaces, throw pillows onto couches, and even use tools like spray bottles and towels. Now the company is pushing even further into household automation. The robot also uses tactile sensing and cameras inside its hands, allowing it to handle delicate objects with much greater precision. Figure claims all of these demonstrations are fully autonomous and not remotely controlled. Online reactions have been massive, with many people saying home robots could eventually change daily life completely, especially for chores like cleaning, organizing, and even laundry. Others remain skeptical and want to see these robots tested in truly unpredictable real-world homes.
Still, one thing is clear. Humanoid robots are improving incredibly fast, and Figure AI is positioning Helix 02 as a serious step toward robots that may one day become part of everyday households.